Hola bafethu, I'm your host Stosh. This is PSL Pulse bafethu. Ngiphethe out yami lana utatana Detsonga Oak. Ngiphethe lenye yami lana bathi uNkululeko Cofi Mr Moloto Mtshali. Out yami njani?
Umnandi talk wena.
Mnandi. Mr Tatana mfethu. Orlando Pirates ibonile coming back from what happened during the weekend which CAF Champions League. Amajita ngathi upliftile vandag. Uyigame yafana kubona kanjani?
Mfana, to start off, I was telling my friend, technically yes, Saturday it was a lose, but asithathanga is a lose. I don't think ukhona umuntu ohambela stadium on Saturday ezwe ngathi udliwe, you know. And today it came out today. Obviously we're going to win. We're playing against Imakese Shaisile last year, run up at same time as well. And today I think Jose Rivero made a mistake last year. By playing a lot of players that bebangadlali. But today coach ngithandayo ngayo uAbdasela Mwadu kept the same lineup, changes there and there, you understand, but the core of the team it's still there. So it was easy for Thina ukuthi senzeni sishaya Imakese, you understand, though Imakese singathi second half befuna ukusihama singasho kanjalo befuna ukuzuma because ishaya ipala kayi2 second half and isikhathi sakhona sishiyana yabo. So yeah, mfethu game yafanda khantwana, it was a complete good game and it was a success. It's just angazi ucoach ukuthi yini inkinga yakhe noMbatha.
So I just want to ask you this question. What is it that you think the coach or the technical team said to the players for them to uplift themselves coming from what happened during the weekend?
Mfana ukuringa ivara ne. Orlando Pirates, I don't think like manje coach or technical team said anything. We are a unit more than a team. You understand? So odlala you support along adlali. You understand? So that's why siwina, that's why we progressing. That's why sidlala the way sidlala ngakhona. In as much as I say to you, why uMbatha ngadlali, but we player or support my player dlalayo, you understand, but other than that mfethu I don't think ukuthi coach needs to say anything. This is a unit, this is a team that has a lot of leaders, Onduli or Fanroed. I'm counting players that are not playing but that are leaders from amateam wabo lawo eswathathe kubo. Then mfethu in the bench you have abokabelo, abosbisi, you know. So yeah mfethu
yazi asibayenzeni,
yeah,
asibaqedelele this weekend mfethu ngicela si rap for now. This weekend. Aye, Mamelodi Sundowns, Orlando Pirates is coming for you. This is PSL Pulse, Buffett. Tango.